Assistant Tournament Director for a few words.
So, ang araw na ito ay tungkol sa kompetisyon, tungkol ito sa pagsisikap, tungkol ito sa puso, pero bago ang lahat, ito ay tungkol sa respeto. Kayo ay magkakaibigan at di magkaaway, magkasama kayong nagsanay at walang mangyayari. Sa larong ito, ang dapat makasira sa pagkakaibigan ninyo. Mag-usap sa loob ng court, magtiwala sa mga kakampi. Ang tunay na respeto ay ang ibigay ang lahat ng makakaya ninyo. Paghirapan ninyo silang makapuntos, ipagmalaki ninyo ang laban. Ang championship ay hindi lang napapanalunan sa talento. Napapanalunan ito sa sipag, disiplina at pananatiling matatag kahit pagod na. At sa pag-angat sa isa't isa kapag nahihirapan. Maglaro para sa kupunan, maglaro para sa pangalan sa harap ng iyong jersey, ng iyong sponsor. Maglaro ng may puso, may dangal, at pagkatapos ng laro, kapag tumunog ang huling buzzer, magkamayan, magyakapan, ngumiti, at alalahanin kung ano talaga ang mahalaga. Isang kupunan ang uuwi ng trophy, pero lahat tayo ay uuwi na buo pa rin ang pagkakaibigan. Lumaban ng buong tapang, magpakita ng respeto sa lahat ng oras. Ibigay ang lahat sa loob ng court, naway manaig ang pinakamahusay na kupunan. Salamat po. Lapit po.
So yung wala last week, bilang paalala, maglaro lang tayo na ayon sa batas ng basketball. Ingatan natin ang sarili natin sa paglalaro at ingatan din natin yung kapwa natin manlalaro. Dahil at the end of the day, babalik tayo sa pamilya natin, may trabaho tayong babalikan. Pagpasok sa loob ng court, walang hika, walang kwintas, nakatakin tayo. Okay, yun na lang ano. Respeto lang. Kaya namin kayo maglaro, hayaan nyo rin kami mag-referee. Huwag niyong gawin na player na kayo nagre-referee pa. Hindi mangyayari yun. Mahirap yan. So ipaubayan nyo sa amin ng pagre-referee. Ang makita namin, pipituhan namin. Kung hindi namin nakita, tao lang. Kasi three-man officiating, nagkakaroon din man ng mga bagay na hindi nakikita. How much more yung two-man officiating. So respeto lang. Call out din namin yung aming attention. Kung meron kaming hindi napapansin, call out nyo yung aming attention during dead ball. So during dead ball. Pag live ball tayo, hindi namin kayo may entertain maayos. Okay? So yun lang. Ingat at let's play good basketball.
First to third quarter, yung time na gagawin natin ha. First to third, kada start forward, balik pa tayo sa normal.
Ay naman.
From the world you live in, growing up for me. Support your little number one.
First five, both teams. First five. Let's go. WSPL Multi-Finance Championship Game. Paniero versus Triple R.
Low. First five.
Sino kaya mananalo? Paniero o Triple R? Ready? Ready? All right.
Jumbo. Out of bounds.
Black ball.
Number 28, Bora. Pass through. 24, for 3 points by number 24, Alcantara. Pares moving the ball. Pass to Burns. Burns pass through. Back to Burns. Burns for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1, Samson moving the ball. Number 1. Still moving the ball. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Carrying on the way. No good. Rebound by Pares. Burns. Burns. Burns all the way. Foul. Shooting two. Foul number 24, Alcantara. First personal foul, first team foul. Shooting two. First shot, basket. Second shot, basket again. 2 points for Burns. Bora. Bora, pass to. Back to Bora. 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 Rebound by Burns. Burns pass to Vivares. Vivares pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez pass to number 15. Take steal by number 10. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Foul! This ball. Foul! 7-3, Burns. Shooting. First shot, basket. Second shot, basket again. Score 5-2 in favor of Paniero. Vivares. Vivares. Good pass to Gutierrez, pass to Burns. Burns, stand by number 1. Number 1, by Burns, out of bounds. Borja. Pass to number 10. No good. Rebound by Joe. Foul. Foul number 1, Samson. Samson, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 4. Pass to John, spinning, foul. Shooting 2. Holding foul by number 24. Number 24, that is Rose. Second personal foul, shooting 2. Substitution left. Substitution, brought in Alcantara. First attempt by Jerome, basket. Second attempt. Basket again. Score. 5-4 in favor of Pañero. Isa lang po kalatayan ng Pañero. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Bora, pass to number. Samson. Foul. Foul, number 15. That is your first personal foul, second team foul. Again, pass to Borja. Foul. Down. Foul, number 4, Vivares. That is your first personal foul, third team foul. Number 28, Borja, retreat. No good. Rebound by number 8, foul. Passes down. Foul number 25. That is your first personal foul, third team foul. Substitution. Number 25 out. Number 11 in. Bonus shot by number 6. Basket count. Burst, pass through. Number 15, no good. Rebound by Burst. Pass through. Burst. Break. Pass to number 11, no good. Rebound by Abroad. Number 16, no good. Pass to number 28, Borja. Attacking, drop pass, out of bounds. Pañero. Abroad for 3. No good. Rebound by number 4, Vivares, pass to number 15, back to Birds on the way. Easy basket by number 4, 73 Birds. Score 8-6 in favor of Pañeros. Borja, pass to Abroad, attacking Federation, no good. Rebound by number 10, back to Borja, foul. Basket down. Foul, number 73, that is your second personal foul, warning for penalty. Penalty. Basket count, bonus shot for Borja. Basket. Score 11-6 in favor of Pañero. Remaining time, 2 minutes in the first quarter. Vivares Bibares, pass to Bates, pass to number 15, pass to Bibares, quick goal shot, no good, rebound by, abroad, pass to number 1, Samson, all the way, traveling violation, substitution, number 26 in, number 6 out. Gutierrez, pass to Segundo, pass to Bibares, pass to Gutierrez, all the way attacking, traveling violation. Hindi na baba ang bola. Number 28, pass to number 10, back to number 8, pass to Padilla, still by Burks. Score up. Foul, number 26, Jason Padilla. That is your first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Every time, 30 seconds. Burks, down the ball, pass to Gutierrez, back to Burks, pass to Gutierrez, basket by Gutierrez, number 7, Padilla, pass to abroad, attacking, spin move, take away, no good, rebound by, abroad, fake, out of bounds, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, napakaganda po ng laban. Score 11-8. Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Triple R po.
Huwag ka na mag-shoot.
Back to the ball game, second quarter. Bibares, pass to Segundo, shot, rebound by Burks, pass to Gutierrez, yun ang libre, easy basket by number 7, Gutierrez. Isa na lang po ang alaman na Panyero, number 1, Samson, pass to Mora, pass to Padilla, fade away shot, ball, pasa pa rin. Push power. Number 7.
Number 7. 7 lang eh, 7.
Number 7, first personal foul. Ball shot, no basket by number 10. Score 14-10 in favor of Panyero. Bibares, dribble ball. Pass to Segundo take kick ball. Number 4, Bibares. Pass to Segundo, pass to Jerome, triple shot, no good. Rebound by Zamora, number 10. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Pass to Padilla. Pass to number 7. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Pass to Divares. Divares. For three. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to Padilla. Padilla. Padilla all the way side. Step. Divares side. Basket by Jason Padilla. Both. All the way. Basket again by Perez. Number 28, ball out, dribbling the ball. 23, rebound by number 11. Number 11, pass to Divares. Divares, dribbling the ball, pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez, still by Padilla. Padilla, pass to Abroad all the way. Foul. Shooting foul. Foul number 11, first personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Number 24 in. Number 10 out. Shooting 2 for Turk Abroad. First shot, basket. Second attempt, basket again. Substitution. Number 23, number 25 in, number 11 out. Back to the ball game. Divares with the ball. Divares. Still by number 1, Samson pass to. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez, pass to Divares. For 3. No good, rebound by Burks. Pass to Sumo, number 25. Basket by number 25, Sumo. Number 28. Pass to Abroad. Blocked by Gutierrez. Still Abroad, straight away shot. Basket by Abroad. Number 4, Divares, pass to Segundo. Pass to back to number 4, Divares, pass to Burks. Back to Gutierrez. Back to Divares. For 3. Still no good. Rebound by number 24. Still by Gutierrez. Pass to Burks. No good. Rebound by Abroad. Pass to Padilla. Pass to Samson. The Burks. Layup. Number 7. The Burks. Back to back basket by Pajero. Namanto ng 10 ang Pajero. Anytime, 4 minutes. Back to the ball game. Anytime, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Segundo hit the ball. Pass to Sabor. Foul, number 24, Alcantara. That is your third personal foul. Substitution. Alcantara out. Vivares, pasa Gutierrez, back to Vivares, tagging, back to Segundo, Jeff Chan Segundo, basket yan, kay Segundo.
Number 15, kinaliwa, parang si Jeff Chan.
Borja, Julio Ball, heading the steal, dribbling the ball. Borja, pass to Padilla, shoot, rebound by Gutierrez, pass to Briggs, all the way, still there, bro. Pass it on the right, Samson all the way, wow, nagkapita sa ere, si number 1, Samson, Gutierrez, pass to Briggs, for three, no good, Samson, pass to number 28, Borja, pass to Boni, out of bounds. Panyero ball. Going, pass to Abroad, for 2 points, no good. Triple Alto. 26-15, Benjamin by Panyero. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Vivares, pass to foul, number 28, Borja, number 28, first personal foul, second team foul. Vivares, pass to Gutierrez. Rebound by Samson. Number 15, Segundo. That is your second personal foul, third team foul. 22 first from
Sobrang solid kagabi, iba aking ngiti. Ay slow at nasasambit sa gilid ng loki. Mababa yung pamahalat ang pahalaga. Minsan lang ito kaya ating isagwas. Paso lagyan mo na namumula na yung ba't merong lampas. Sakit na sa mata ng flash. Yeah, mahaba pang gabi, maaga pa sulitin. Di rin ako sure kung kailan ko to uulitin. Kaya nakasam na
back to the ball game.
Third quarter. Padilla, pass to Apo.
Sapsok, pass to Sapsok. Still by Vivares. Vivares, pass to Subok. Subok, pass to. Still by Abrot. Pass to Jason Padilla. Jason, pass to number 1, Samson. All the way. Easy basket by number 1, Samson. Number 17, Birds. Birds, pass to Gutierrez, fake, all the way. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Rebound ulit. Still, fake. Foul. Number 10, foul number 10. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. First shot. Baniko. Kita dito. Second shot. Basket. Number 1, Samson. Pass to Padilla. Padilla, pass to Abrot, pass to number 10. Fake, attacking. Back to Padilla. Fade away, 14 shot. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pagoro, pass to number 10. Number 18, pass to Padilla. Pass to Abrot. Back to Padilla. Padilla is screen. Fade away. Turn around shot. No good. Rebound by Burns, pass to Subok, all the way, pass to Salgundo, short, rebound by Burns, easy lang daw, pass to Vivares, protocol ng press, no good, rebound by Subok, rebound ng Burns for 3 points by number 73, Burns, score 28-19, shot na lang po ang kalabanan ng Panyero. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Samson, speed, all the way, no good, rebound by Burns, pass to Segundo, basket by Segundo. Padilla moving ball, pass to Goring, back to Zabora for 3, short, rebound by Goring reverse, no good, rebound by Zabora, pass to Abrot, take, pass to Samson, no good, rebound by Abrot, no good, follow-up shot, 2 points by number 16, Abrot. Gutierrez, pass to Vivares, back to Segundo, Vivares, back to Burns, fake, passing, side step, no good, rebound by Gutierrez, fake, no good, rebound by Abrot. Samson, all the way pass to Padilla, step lang daw, sabi ni Padilla, pass to Abrot, attacking, no good, rebound by Gutierrez, pass to Burns, libre, Burns, all the way, side step, what a shot by number 73, Burns, score, 30-23, in favor of.
Time out.
Number 15, foul, number 10. Teka lang. Gumagalaw pa yung bola. Dito ang tayo, time out pag dead ball. Number 10, unsportsman foul. Number 10. Automatic po yun. Hindi po siya. Pag hindi sa bola ang habol, unsportsman's foul. sportsman foul by number 10. Number 10, that is your second personal foul.
Kailang championship, wala naman pa.
Time out! Both teams. First basket, no good. Second attempt, technical free throw. No good. Back to the ball game. Vivares for three. No good. Rebound by Burns. Burns all the way. No good. Rebound by Burns again. Burns pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez for two. No good. Rebound by Goli. Pass to Borja. Borja all the way layup. No good. Rebound by blocked by number 11. Out of bounds. Pañardo. Rolling. Pass to Padilla. Pass to number 24. Alcantara for three. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11 pass to Vivares. Vivares pass to Burns. Burns pass to Segundo for three. Shot. Pañero ball. Remaining time 1 minute and 45 seconds of third quarter. Alcantara pass to Borja. Borja for three. No good. Rebound by Padilla. No good. Rebound by Burns. Pass to Segundo all the way. No good. Rebound by Borja. Pass to Alcantara. Back to Borja. Back to Alcantara. Free throw shot. No good. Rebound by Borja. Pass to Segundo. By Steph. Pass to Vivares. No good. Rebound by Burns. Pass to Segundo. Basket. Segundo. Score 30-25. Favor of Pañero. Remaining time 52 seconds. Padilla, pass to Alcantara. Back to Padilla to Borja. Borja, winning the ball, Borja for three. No good. Rebound by. Segundo pass to Gutierrez to Burns. Basket by Burns. 25 seconds. Alcantara, 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Borja dribbling the ball. 10 seconds. Borja dribbling the ball. Borja 5. Borja all the way. 5. Foul number 11. That's your second personal foul. Shooting team. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. End of the third quarter. Score 30-27.
Sukan galing mo may mabisa.
Flip on the beat, head T, drop the slick.
Miss na kita, baby, hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang sarap na huli tayo magsasama. Pangako na di ka na maghihintay. Hindi ka nagkakanya na yun. Wala man ay kami masaktan. Ang lang ko ang pakiramdam na nahihirapan. Kaya naman ayaw ko lang iparamdam sa iyo. Malapit na ako, konting oras na lang ay magsasama na tayo. Malapit na ako, diyan sa tabi mo. Konting tiis na lang, wala na iyon ko. Sobrang saya na makakasama ka na. Ngunit talaga natin hindi nakita. Hindi na ako aalis sa tabi mo. Pangako di ka na mag-iisa pa. Miss na kita, baby, hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang saya ko na huli tayo magsasama. Pangako na di ka na maghihintay. Hindi ka na malapit na ako, baby, pauwi na ako. Pauwi na, baby, pauwi na ako. Miss na kita, baby, pauwi na ako. Pauwi na, hindi ka na malapit na ako, baby, pauwi na ako.
Ano mo ako? Fade away kasi
Kailangan mo, miss na kita, ano ba kasalanan ko? Gusto na kita makita, kung sa akin magalit. Kasi baka nalala ko pumangit, pero kahit na magalit sa'yo pa rin ako uuwi. Hindi nila ako maaalit, hindi ka masungit sa akin. Baka pwede pa ayusin natin, baka pwede talo natin minsan. Kahit di nakakasawa ko lupain, mahal kita, alam ko yan. Hindi na ako maghahanapan ng iba, basta ito ang laging tandaan. Ang pag-ibig ko ay para sa iyo lang, pero nabuo lang at ako ay pauwi na. Sindikilan, kung ako pagalitan, galit ko lang yun sa'yo, malukulit na natin talaga na minsan tayo, hindi ka pikulan. Kaya sa mundo ko, kasi natutunan ko, kaya mga pagkukulang ko, ay tutunan ko, ako na ulit ako. Miss na kita, baby, hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang saya ko na huli tayo.
Alright, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter. Dito na po magtutuos kung sino ang magcha-champion. Score 30-27 in favor of Pañero. Ibares, dribbling the ball. Ibares. Pass to Segundo. Back to Segundo. Segundo back to Ibares. Ibares to Segundo. Segundo attacking. Out of bounds. Triple R ball. Ibares for two. No good. Pañero ball. Borja, attacking. Still. Pass to abroad. 12 seconds shot clock. Abroad. For three. No good. Rebound down. Saguto. Burns all the way. Basket by Burns. Score 29-30 in favor of Pañero. Isa lang po ang kalamangan. Samson. Huli ang rebet. Huli. number 4, Vipares. Vipares. Pass to number 7, Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 2 points. No good. Rebound by Bohan. Foul. Vipares. Pass to number 17, Burns for 3. No good. Rebound by Vipares. Vipares back to Burns. Burns attacking side step. Basket by Burns. Among the ball. Dribble out by Russell. 31 to 30. Remaining time 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Alcantara has the ball. Bola back to Alcantara. Alcantara for 3. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Pass to Burns. Burns pass to Vipares. Vipares pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez pass to Burns. Up. Javier. Offensive foul by number 73. Burns addition. Burns personal foul. Samson. Pass through. Alcantara for 3. No good. Rebound by Burns. Burns living the ball. Burns. Pass to Vipares. Pass through. Still by Padilla. Alcantara all the way. And foul by number 11. Basket count by pushing foul. Number 11, that is your 3rd personal foul. 2nd team foul. Bonus shot by number 24. Alcantara, ball shot, basket. Score 33 to 31. Lamang na naman po ang Pañero by 2 points. Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Segundo, pass to Burns. Time pass to Segundo. Basket yan para sa Segundo. Score, tabla na po ang Kalamangan. Padilla, back to Alcantara, pass to Samson all the way. Basket by Samson. Number 4, Vipares, pass to Burns, pass to Saguto, no good, rebound by Vipares, back to Burns, 6 seconds shot now. Vipares for 3, no good, rebound by number 24. Pass to number 10, pass to Padilla, pass to Samson all the way. Foul. Number 1, Samson. Number 11, that is your. Number 11, 4th personal foul. 3rd team foul. Basket count by. Timeout. Tripolar. Back to the ball game. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Bonus shot by number 1, Samson. Bonus shot. Rebound by Saguto. Saguto. All the way. Foul. Foul. Napatid. Di naman sadya. Foul. Number 1. Pushing foul. Number 1. That is your second personal foul. Out of bounds. Saguto, basket count. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Padilla. Paso Porra. Basto Alcantara. Bago Saksot. Oops! Blocking foul. Blocking foul by number 7. Number 7, that is your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Samson. Number 4. Pass to Burns. Pass to Guidares, back to Burns. Burns for 3! 2 points by number 73. Score 38-37. Lamang na po ang triple line. Very time, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Alcantara, ataque, Yogi, rebound by Padilla, favorite shot, Yogi, rebound by Abroad, basket by Abroad. 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. Saguto,
Oh my God!
pass to Guidares, pass to Gachete. Wow! Foul number 1, Samson. Guidares. Post forward. Remaining time, 1 minute and 38 seconds. Score 39-38 in favor of Paneros. Foul, offensive foul by number 7. Number 7, third personal foul. Wala pong penalty sa offensive foul. Rules na po yun, simula bata tayo. Dapat alam nyo na yun. Padilla, paso Alcantara, back to Padilla all the way, Wada, up, foul, shooting 2. Foul, number 15, sabi ko rin, shooting 2. Number 15, third personal foul. Remaining time, 1 minute and 25 seconds. Shooting 2 for number 26, Jason Padilla. First shot, basket. Second shot, basket again. Score, 41-38. 3-point lead by Paniero. Guidares, pass to Gero to Saguto, side step, pass first, basket count by Burns. Warning. Number 15 for delaying the game. Score 41-40. Favor Pañero. Remaining time 1 minute and 6 seconds. Number 28, Borja, putting the ball pass to Alcantara. Alcantara, pass to Abroad, pass to Padilla. Padilla back to Borja. 10 seconds shot clock. Borja, 5 seconds shot clock. Offensive foul by number 28, second personal foul. 13 foul. Remaining time 44 seconds. Gutierrez with the ball. Gutierrez. Steve number 1. That's it. All the way. Basket. Score 43-14 in favor Palmeiras. Timeout! Ribola. Remaining time 14 seconds. Score 43-40 in favor of Palmeiras. Remaining time 14 seconds. 14. Isa na lang po ang timeout nyo. Ang Pañero, meron tayong 2 timeout. Pwede nyo gamitin doon sa kabila sa point group. Pag di nyo ginawin timeout nyo, gamitin nyo doon sa point group. Foul number 4. Penalty. Remaining time 12 seconds. 12 seconds left. Shooting 2. Oh, number 28. Borja. First shot, basket by number 28, Borja. Score 44-40. Say something. Time out! Triple R. Score natin 45-40 in favor of Pioneers. Back to the ball game. The ball is 4-3. Very good. Rebound by Sabol. Very good. Long pass. Foul by number 73. Burn. Foul number 73, additional personal foul. Penalty. First shot, basket. Ang Amoy goal trophy na po ang Panyero. Second shot. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, congratulations to Panyero, awarding full medal. Best player of the game, Samson. Hello.
Dito po kayo dito para po isip na kayo second place trophy.
MVP!